For many years now, I've been making an annual winter pilgrimage to Northern Snowdonia. This year, I wanted to bag a panorama that would capture the scale of the national park I've spent so much time in. After some research, I found out that the summit of Moel Siabod should give me the shot I wanted. My plan was to bivvy at Llyn Foel and make a dawn raid to the summit via the southeastern ridge, hoping to catch the rising sun as it touched the summits of Snowdon, Tryfan and the Glidders. Would the weather hold? Would I find my campsite? Join me as I attempt to capture my Snowdonian vista.
It's 8 o'clock now. Sunrise is supposed to be in half an hour. I don't think I'm going to get to the top by 8:30, but considering I woke up and it was snowing on me, yeah, not too bad. It's very windy up there, the clouds are moving really fast, so even though I've got reasonably good visibility now, expecting it to get pretty bad. So my plan is to go up this east ridge, of which you cannot see all of it, and that takes me to the top. Well, 20 to 9. So apparently the sun will have risen somewhere over there. Doesn't look like I'm going to get the photo I wanted, but hey ho, we're right here in the mountains, enjoying it. It's all good. Okay, the ridge keeps coming in and out of view. There's this big scree slope here. That's supposedly the easier route. I decided not to go up the ridge exactly because the rocks are very slippery, icy, and I'm here by myself, so got to be a bit sensible. So yeah, time to dig in for the slog. Absolutely brilliant day so far. It's going to be very windy at the top though, I can already hear it. and I bailed off the ridge I was walking on. It was so windy, rocks were all slippery, covered in snow, so I've come down below the snow line now to make a beeline back to the car. The little yellow bastard, otherwise known as the sun, does keep making the odd appearance. You can't see it now, probably, but it's just lighting up patches. Oh, maybe there. Lighting up patches of the hillside. Once I get low enough, hopefully out of the mist, I'm going to stick around and try and get a photo of that, because I think it will look pretty nice.
Unfortunately, the weather was not kind to me, and I wasn't able to get the pictures I wanted, but it wasn't a wasted trip. Before I set up my bivvy, the night was quite clear, and I took the opportunity to capture some images of the lake and the stars. This was only my first trip of the year. I've got more planned, that are bigger and bolder. So subscribe to my channel, and join me next time I go bivvying, with landscape photography in mind.